Hi everyone. In this video I'm going to revisit the question from my first 6.2 video, and I'm going to show you how you would go about solving this Venn diagram if you don't know what the center part equals. So I'm going to keep all this information except that A and B and C equals 2, because that was the information for the second part. So everything else is the same, but to start off, in here, the first thing I did was put 2 in the middle. Here I don't know what it is, so I'm going to label that as X. So next, let's say I'll find this area. If you remember up here when I was finding the intersection of B and C, I did, B and C was 3. So this whole area equals 3, but 2 is already being taken up by the center portion. So this becomes 3 for the whole thing minus the 2 that's already happening in the center. So you're just left with 1. So I'm going to do the same principle down here. I have B and C equals 3, which makes this 3 minus X, because it's 3 minus however many are being taken up in my center part. So the next one was, I guess I'll do this one, A and B. A and B equals 5, which makes this part 5 minus X. And then A and C was 7, which makes this 7 minus X. So now to find, let's say, what's happening in B, I'm going to take B equals 10. So I've got 10 minus, I have 5 minus X minus X minus 3 minus X. So that gives me 10 minus 5 minus 3 should give me 2. And then this negative affects this negative X, so that's plus X minus X plus X, so 2 plus X. I'm just going to circle that. That's what equals B. And I'm going to do the same thing for A, so A equals 12. So it's 12 minus 5 minus X. Don't forget your brackets, because the brackets are flipping the sign of all of these X's. So if you forget those, you're in trouble. So minus X minus 7 minus X, and that equals 12 minus 5 minus 7 is 0. Positive X minus X positive X is just positive X. So you get A equals X. And then down here I had C equals 14. So I've got 14 minus 7 minus X minus X minus 3 minus X. So 14 minus 7 is 7 minus 3 is 4 plus X minus X plus X. So 4 plus X. So now we're going to try and find X. Now we're given over here that A and B and C, the total number, that's in, everything, is 23. So this plus this plus this, etc., all equals 23. And not A, not B, and not C equals 3, so I'll write that out here. Oops, down there, okay. So if we didn't have this piece of information, we couldn't solve this. So what I'm going to do is, I know that this and this, all these things add up to 23. So I'm going to go 23 equals, and just start writing down what all of these add up to. So I've got X over here plus 5 minus X plus 2 plus X plus X plus 7 minus X plus 3 minus X plus 4 plus X. And it's really important that you don't, use this 3, because the 23 is only for the amount of stuff in the circles. It's not, the total amount of things that have been counted in your Venn diagram. So I'm going to simplify this. 23 equals plus X minus X plus x, so that's just x right now, minus x is nothing. Okay, took me a while to count that. I'm just a little silly today. So I've got positive x, positive x, positive x. So I've got 4 of those, and I've got minus, minus, minus. I've got 3 minuses. So now I'm getting something plus x. So then I've got 5, 6, 7, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So I've got 21 plus x. I'm going to minus 21 from both sides. And I've got 2 equals x, which is good because if you remember, that's what the center part equaled up here. So that's right. If I was going to check it, I would plug 2 in for x in every spot and make sure that the total added up to 23. So I hope you found this helpful. Good luck in your math homework.